My name is Mudathir Kidwai. I'm right now in Zarqa, Amman. I'm visiting the HDF warehouse. We are packing food truck with them. We are doing 3 food trucks. Each food truck will have these food items in it. The idea is to pack approximately 2,100 cartons of food and send them to the people of Gaza. This donation, it has come from the people of Columbus, Ohio, and my family and friends living in the U.S. I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone, and inshallah this food will reach its destination in Gaza soon.
So again, we are here in Amman, Jordan, and packaging some food supplies for our brothers and sisters in Gaza. We are here from the Columbus, Ohio Muslim community. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it from all the donors, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make the situation of our brothers and sisters better. And we ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala end this difficult situation that they are in. And here we are trying to do what we can. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it, and may Allah accept it from all of you.